We'll go across to Riyanka, but we're getting in the latest breaking news that's coming into the national capital, and this is a big one where we learn that the Chief Minister of Delhi, Rekha Gupta, has been allegedly attacked during a weekly Jan Sunwai. We learned that this mishap happened during Jan Sunwai at the Chief Minister residence at Civil Lines. The police inquiry is underway to reveal more details. This is an alleged attack, remember, that has taken place. In fact, the Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva has also tweeted, and he says that he strongly condemns the attack on the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta during the weekly Jan Sunwai. The mishap happened during the public hearing that was placed inside the Chief Minister's residence. Virendra Sachdeva, who has in fact given out these details and made the claim that Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has been allegedly attacked. So far, we learned that the miscreant was a 35-year-old who shouted at the Chief Minister and tried to attack her. The attack claim, remember, has been made by the BJP leaders. We learned that this incident happened during the Jan Sunwai during Delhi Chief Minister's house. We learned that the man shouted at the Chief Minister first, and then he tried to attack the Chief Minister. Initial details just crippling into the newsrooms right now. The man came. He first screamed at the Chief Minister, and then he went ahead to even slap the Chief Minister of the national capital, allegedly. Remember, the police version of the case is still awaited. We learn via our reporting sources, the initial reporting sources claim that the man who attacked the Chief Minister has been detained by the police. So the police certainly has taken cognizance. We learned that the incident happened during the public grievance hearing that was held inside the Chief Minister's residence. Sources claim that the man who attacked the Delhi Chief Minister has been detained. He's been taken into custody. This is a major security lapse, ladies and gentlemen, that we are noticing here today from the national capital. The version of the Chief Minister, the version of the police is still awaited, but the initial details just crippling in.
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के ऊपर जन सुनवाई के दौरान जो हमला किया गया, मैं इसकी कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करता हूं। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी दिल्ली की रात दिन चिंता करती हैं और यही विरोधियों की साजिशें हैं। उनसे ये बर्दाश्त नहीं होता कि एक मुख्यमंत्री कितने घंटे पब्लिक के बीच में रहता है, जनता को आमतौर पर मिलते हैं, अपने निवास स्थान पर जिसका दिल करता हो आके मिल सकता है। यही कारण है कि इसके पीछे कोई राजनीतिक साजिश की बू आ रही है। जल्द ही दिल्ली पुलिस इसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है, सारे तथ्य सामने आएंगे।